just showing you this last part here. And I said, of course, you intrigue me. And I sent a unicorn emoji. And then she literally replied within seconds saying, perfect emoji for me. Thank you. And so I'm going to teach you something about this text right here that is really versatile, meaning you can use it in a lot of different situations if you get creative. You can use this in all sorts of ways, but the idea I hope you get is it's like a compliment, but it's a piece of a compliment. So a lot of guys, like, they'll teach you stuff about girls, will do like what they call like a neg, which is you say something rude or say something to her that makes her self-conscious, like, oh, that dress. And then the girl goes, do I not look good in this? Was it my hips? Was it my blah, blah, blah? She'll beat herself up in her mind, and I think that's messed up. So this is like using that type of concept, but in a good way. It's like, here's a compliment, one that you haven't gotten before, and I'm not going to tell you the whole piece. So you have to wonder about it. So now you can feel good about yourself and curious instead of feeling bad about yourself and curious.
You're my sweetie pie, you're my cutie pie, you're my absolute John. And anyway, keep going. You, Janu, you're my sweetie pie, you're my cutie pie, you're my Shonu, you're my everything. And I know you find this cheesy, but I want everyone to know you make me really happy. And I have a little poem for you, and I'd like everyone to hear this. When you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, and my heart ceases to beat, and there's nothing else that I seek except you. And I just have one question for you.
Oh, no, no,
Janu,
no, no,
I need to. Janu, please, I need to. You truly make me the happiest person on earth.
Are you okay?
I said, of course, you intrigue me is like a really good compliment, but also mysterious. And so by saying you intrigue me, I'm not saying you're beautiful. A lot of guys say that, and that's all about her looks. I wanted her to feel like I like her as a person because I do. This girl's fun. I didn't want to just say you're cool because that's generic. I said you intrigue me. And she responded right away with the perfect emoji. Thank you. She took that as a compliment, which I wanted her to. But a lot of times in this situation, she also might, or she'll probably actually text me here soon if I don't respond. Uh, and she'll probably say something like, what intrigues you? Like, she'll want to know now. And most guys just kind of spill it all like in one text. Like, most guys would be like, you intrigue me because blah, 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 blah. No, no, no. Let her have that mystery. And now she will probably ask about this. People are always curious about themselves. So if I were to tell you right now, like, hey, whoa, man, I just read a fortune cookie and you were the first person I thought of, you immediately would be like, wait, why? What did it say? What did it say? Because it's about you and it's sort of like a compliment type thing. You would want to find out. Like, I would want to know that. If a girl said that to me, I would definitely want her to tell me. I would play it cool, but I would get it out of her. And so the same thing with girls. They're going to want to know, and it's that compliment. It's not just about her looks, and it's not generic. It's specific about her, about a personality trait that she can be proud of, but also she doesn't know what. You intrigue me. Think about that one. It's it's like vague but specific. You can use this in a lot of ways. That you intrigue me was just something I use on the moment, but you could say the same thing like, there's just something about you, dot, 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 smiley face. Right? So that's another thing. It's like, there's something about you. It's a compliment. And now she goes, but what? What is it about me? She'll want to know. Anyway, let me know if you use this, what you used. If you have questions about this, let me know, because this just popped into my head as I was texting her right now. And so I haven't really fully thought this one through yet, but hopefully I can bounce that around with you. Hey, this is Adam. I have made over 5 complete programs and courses teaching men how to confidently date in every area, including texting, online dating, social media, first dates, setting up dates, and everything else. I wanted to let you know that all of that is included inside PrinceFlix, my monthly membership for men that will teach you everything you need to confidently date in today's world. I love you. Be grateful. God bless.